Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. This is your general and the person on your mind. Reading ngayong hanggang mid-April. So again, kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, and ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, yung ating mga evil eye protection. So we have the ring, and this is adjustable by the way. Okay, yung ating okay, isa-isahin natin. Hindi ko na na-flex. Okay, yung ating mga evil eye protection. So, dalawang bracelet. This is available in red strings. Okay, so ito ay adjustable. Ito naman yung garterized. Ito yung merong initials, okay, ng magmamayari. And syempre, yung ating evil eye necklace. This is unisex. Unisex, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Ganyan siya ha. Okay, meron siyang blue stone doon sa kanyang center. Hindi lang kita. Hindi lang nabibigyang justice ng ating camera. Pero this is nice in person. So, yung atin namang love bracelet. So, anything pagdating sa connection sa love, no? So, even if you're single, pwede sa'yo to. And sa mga relasyon na ang daming conflict, yes, ito, yung para sa'yo. Okay? Si love bracelet. So, siya yung magpo-provide ng something na kailangan sa situation and mag-aalis na kung ano man ang kailangan ding ialsin. Okay? And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, as you can see, sa front and sa back. Para siyang may glass. Okay? This is customized. Opo. So, ako lang yung may gantong design. Okay? So, kung kayo ay mas scam, naku po, ewan ko na. So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long. Okay? This is unisex. Again, by the way, this is made to order. Yung ating granter necklace, made to order siya. So, ganyan siya. Ang pangat kasi ng ilaw natin, hindi ko mapakita ng maganda. So, ito naman yung ating pang cord cut. So, si cord cutting, ang ginagawa natin dito is tatanggalin, ikakat natin yung mga energies na nakakonect pa sa'yo. Meaning to say, yung parang mga wala ng silbi na energy. Oo, yung parang pabigat na lamang. So, yun ang ating mga aalisin. Okay? So, wala ka ng part doon na gagawin. So, yun na lang ang kailangan mong isuot or kailangan mong dalhin everyday para siya yung magsisilbing protection mo sa mga tatanggalin natin. Okay? Yung ating tong pang cord cut. Medyo bulky. Anyway, so, Taurus, let's see what's for you in general hanggang mid-April. Okay, what's for you? Taurus placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Let's see. What's for you, Taurus? Okay, the Four of Swords. This is resting. Rest. Some of you need to take a rest. You need to take some rest. The Eight of Cups. Some of you, I'm seeing you traveling, having a vacation leave, sick leave. From sabihin nating work. Okay, this is nice. And Queen of Cups. This is pampering yourself, self-care, self-love, mga ganong bagay. So, anong meron dito sa Four of Swords at Eight of Cups na to? Kasi meron ako na energy na galing sa past. Okay? Or something na pwedeng kailangan ng bigyan na ng tuldok at alisan. Ano to? The Eight of Swords. Meaning to say, something, a person or a situation where parang nagbibigay na lang siya ng parang stuck energy sa'yo. Okay, you have to cut them off. You have to cut it off. Okay, yun yung King of Swords. Like, okay, I know kung anong kailangan ko ditong gawin, ganito, ganyan. Some of you, alam mo naman some of you, handa ka na dun. Okay? The Five of Wands. Masyadong magulo na eh. Okay, masyadong magulo na. There's still a past person stuck on you. Meron pa rin ditong person na stuck pa rin sa'yo. Could be an air sign or a water sign. Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, what else for you, Taurus? Okay, Six of Cups, Universe. Yeah, bitter ex. Your ex is bitter. Oh, pasensya na sa mga nagko-crosswatch dyan. No, if you're not bitter, then shut up. Okay? So, Six of Cups in reversed. Judgment in reversed. Kasi sino man ito. Napas mo. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Parang bitter na bitter. Oo. Kasi feeling niya, totally, nakalimutan mo na siya. Kinut off mo na siya. Parang ganun. Okay? There's that jealousy. Okay? Na naramdaman yung tao pagdating sa'yo. In general, may mga taong maiinggit. May mga taong hihilahin ka pababa. I don't know why. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles, Universe, pwedeng maapektuhan ng pamemera mo kung ikaw itong magiging open sa mga ibabato nilang negative energy sa'yo. Okay? At the Nine of Swords, ikaw itong ma-stress, ikaw itong sabihin nating affected, kung ano man ang mga sasabihin nila. Lalo na nga kung negative, ha? Di bali kung positive. Pero I'm saying this person na talagang hindi okay yung energy pagdating sa'yo. They're too draining. Okay? They're like an energy vampire. Yeah. Meron ditong yun nga, sobrang yamot na yamot sa'yo in general and gagawa sila ng action towards you. I don't know why. I don't know how. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit in reversed. Walang pagpaplano. Okay? Sabihin nating wala sa intention talaga ng taong to na gumawa ng way, gumawa ng effort, gumawa ng kung ano man, pag-reach out. It's like, bahala na si Batman kung anong mangyari. Something like that. Yeah, they're like gulong-gulo. So, gulo lang din yung pwedeng maibigay, yung may dulot sa'yo. Okay? So, what else for you, Taurus? Marami kang kailangang i-avoid hanggang mid-April. Marami. Okay? Page of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles, focusing on your career, on your finances in general. Okay? So, I don't know, some of you, you'll be having a new plan pagdating sa career mo or sa work or sa business na meron ka. Okay? This is money for me. This is like some of you manifesting na mas maging okay. And I think, yeah, makukuha yun. Lalo na yung may mga grantor dyan. Okay? Yung may mga grantor dyan. Yeah. May 9 of Wands dito. So, I'm seeing some of you have blockages pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? Kung ano man ang mga minamanifest ninyo in general, you have these blockages. Okay? So, protect your energies. Kasi people will, sabihin natin, giving you, alam mo na, evil eye. Okay? Ang ganda, Taurus. Some of you, ikaw itong ma-hire or mapopromote bago mag-end ang April. I think. Okay, that's, specific. So, I'm hearing fruition. May mga magandang mangyayari pagdating sa kaperahan ng iba sa inyo. Okay? Claim it. Mangyayari lang siguro to kung hindi mo i-welcome yung mga negativities na pwedeng dumating. Yeah. Somebody will reach out. Somebody will make an offer pertaining to stability, I think. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa love. Oo. Yun lang. Akin nakikita for you in general. So, mayroon tayong mga nakitang specific energies na pwedeng mangyari. Okay. So, what's for you, Taurus? pagdating sa person. So, ano bang meron sa inyo ni person ngayon? Anong situation meron kayo? Anong meron? The Star. Could be an Aquarius. Strength. Some of you, this is talking about healing. Okay, collaboration maybe, or pakikipag-usap na pwedeng mangyari. Or pwede sabihin nating may mga dapat i-fix na issue sa inyong dalawa, nitong taong to. Okay, the High Priestess Universe. O siguro iba sa inyo, hindi malabong nakikipag-ayos tong taong to. Okay, or ume-effort sa'yo tong taong to. Gumugusto, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, may mga plano. Tungkol sa mga pangako. Titingnan natin kung ano ba to. Matutuloy ba or what? So, may mga pangakuan na akong nakikita sa sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo. Okay? Some of you, hindi ikaw itong parang okay, magtitiwala ako. So, let's see. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Ano ba yan? Okay. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa person? Taurus. Could be Leo and Aqua. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa person mo? Taurus. The Page of Swords inversed. The Three of Cups inversed. They're like, studying you or the situation. Yeah. Inaaral nito mabuti. Yeah, the King of Wands. Kung ano man yung mga pinapangako nito, sabihin nating, andyan yun. Okay? Andyan yung mga pangako. Alam niya na nagbitaw siya. Alam niya na nangako siya. Whether babae, lalaki, ko naman ang gender niya, I don't care. Okay? Some of them, kung bago to, hihingi ito ng ng tulong sa mutual friends nyo. Inaaral ng taong tong sitwasyon. Kung anong meron sa'yo. Inaaral ka nito in general. They're interested actually. They are. So, what is their emotion right now for you? Ano magiging takbuhan? Ano bang magiging takbuhan ninyo nito? Tingnan natin ang kanyang emosyon. Two of Wands, you're open. Yeah. Para sa mga possibilities. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Swords reversed. You're willing. Yeah, I think this person likes you. Yeah, the Ace of Swords reversed. Marami pa itong dapat sabihin nating i-open pagdating sa'yo. And I think may chance na i-open up niya sa'yo everything. Okay? This is nice though. Sana nga hindi lang puro pangako tong taong to. Kasi ang nakikita ko rin naman sa kanya is willing siya mag-effort. Yeah, willing siya mag-effort. So, what's their next action? Their next action towards you. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. This is trust. Maybe they will gain your trust. Okay, the Queen of Swords. Some of them, they will act distant. I don't know why. Distant, cold, and the Hierophant in reverse. The Ace of Pentacles. I think itong taong to, hindi ka nito pipilitin. Kung ano man. Okay, hindi ka nito pipilitin na parang maniwala or what. Depende na lang sa gagawin niyang action. Hindi ka nito para sabihin, maniwala ka sa akin, ganito, ganyan. No. Ikaw mismo yung parang magiging, sabihin nating mapapanatag, no? Kaya ng taong itong mapanatag ka sa kanya, parang ganyan. So, maybe, this is nice, na? This is nice kasi yung energy is like, walang pilitan, walang stress, walang pressure, parang ganyan. It's like, unti-unting pagiging open. Unti-unting magiging open, okay, sa isa't isa. The Ace of Pentacles is here. May potential to, mga Taurus. May potential to. I think. Yung iba sa inyo parang nasa ligawan stage. Talking stage, maybe ligawan. Yeah, the Six of Cups. They see somebody na pwedeng makasama nila ng matagal. Gusto nila may lumalim na connection dito. Yeah, they want that. They want that, Taurus. Okay? So, anong potential outcome? / advice for you? So, tingnan natin. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Some of you have to focus lang talaga sa kung ano. Like, focus ka sa pera mo, career mo. Yeah. Studies, if ever. Let them do the work. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. May potential to, mga Taurus. Yeah. May mga magkakaaminan dito. Just be open din. Okay? Open. In general, sa kanya. Having healthy boundaries. Kung ano mga dapat ipaalam. Okay? And the Ten of Wands Universe is saying na we don't need to force things dito sa situation. Just, go with the flow and surrender this. Parang ganon. Unti-unti, parang dadalo ito sa tamang mga daluyan. Parang ganyan. May magandang potential ito ha, mga Taurus. May magandang mangyayari sa mga connection na meron sa inyo sa iba. Okay, sa iba? Sabihin nating kung ito ba ay nakikipag-ayos. Yes. Hindi natin pwedeng ipakita na tayo ay nag-crave or what. Hindi natin pwedeng i-pressure yung person. Yeah, just go with the flow kung anong meron. Walang pressure. Low-key. No pressure. Okay? So, yeah, this is nice though. Nice. Some of you, meron ako nakikita ditong proposal. Yung iba sa inyo na matagal na. Yeah, mayroon nang mag-open up pagdating sa proposal. Okay, like stepping up or sabihin nating leveling up sa susunod kung ano bang meron. Level 2, level 3. Okay. Nakikita kasi ng taong to na pwede kang makasama forever. Yeah. Or like an opportunity for them. Or maybe both of you. An opportunity, no? Sa isa't isa. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. For you, Taurus. Somebody's eyeing on you. Somebody's eyeing on you, Taurus. Okay, Aries. They want to take risk. Yeah. Taurus, they want good cooperation with you. Gemini, they're healing. Cancer yan. Okay, so Cancer, they're waiting. Some of them, they're manifesting. Leo, may takot si Leo, kaso ayaw lang niya ipakita. Virgo, gusto na niya ng kaayusan, ayaw na niya ng stress, kasagutan na ang gusto nito, clarity, closure for some of you. Libra, some of them, they're immature. They're not ready, I think. Scorpio, they're overthinking. Sagittarius, they're too guarded. Some of them, they have trust issues. Capricorn, they like you, maybe. May chance rin na they want to get your attention. Aquarius is a player. Yeah. Pisces, they're dropping you, I think. Or feeling nila dinadrop mo na sila. So there, yun ang aking reading for you. Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa ilalim, yung love letter. Pwede kayo mag-send ng inyong mga love messages. Direct love message po. Ha, hindi yung nagkukwento ka or what. Yung rektang mensahe para sa person. Yun ang ating kailangan. And yung ating yung ating isa pang channel na about animals, sa mga pet lovers dyan, sa mga animal lovers, yeah, siguro magugustuhan mo yun. So, yes, again, asahan ko ang inyong support. Thank you, and goodbye.